Nice to meet you here. The lesson on addition of number block. Please start. 17. I have a block 7. I have a equal 24. 15. I have a block 3. I have a equal 18. 13. I have a block 4. I have a equal 17. 8. I have a block 4. I have a equal 12. 12. I have a block 1. I have a equal 13. 8. I have a block 16. I have a equal 24. 18. I have a block 9. I have a equal 27. 7. I have a block 1. I have a equal 18. 8. 14. I have a block 1. I have a equal 15. 1. I have a block 6. I have a equal 7. 15. I have a block 1. I have a equal 16. 4. I have a block 19. I have a equal 23. 18. I have a block 11. I have a equal 29. 4. I have a block 2. I have a equal 6. 17. I have a block 15. I have a equal 32. 7. I have a block 20. I have a equal 27. 16. I have a block 16. I have a equal 32. 10. I have a block 2. I have a equal 12. I think it is a beautiful and I am happy, but it is rain. 5. I have a block 14. I have a equal 19. 20. I have a block 19. I have a equal 39. 3. I have a block 9. I have a equal 12. 11. I have a blood. 16. I have a equal. 27. 20. I have a blood. 18. I have a equal. 38. 8. I have a blood. 9. I have a equal. 17. 16. I have a blood. 4. I have a equal. 20. 14. I have a blood. 19. I have a equal. 33. 2. I have a blood. 15. I have a equal. 17. 11. I have a blood. 17. I have a equal. 28. 19. I have a blood. 4. I have a equal. 23. 18. I have a blood. 12. I have a equal. 30. 18. I have a blood. 14. I have a equal. 32. 4. I have a blood. 14. I have a equal. 18. 20. I have a blood. 14. I have a equal. 34. 9. I have a blood. 5. I have a equal. 14. 14. I have a blood. 8. I have a equal. 22. The lesson is interesting, but the time of lesson is over. Goodbye and see you guys in the next time.